Hey everyone, and we're starting another week. It's Sunday evening. Now we got to take this load of sand up and drop it in the yard and get a load of pipe that's going down to Maricopa on the south side of Phoenix. We got to have it there as early as we can tomorrow. But he said not first thing, so I'm not leaving early anyway. We're going to go up, switch trailers, and get started. Swap trailers out. It's a little bit cold up here, rainy, but we're all swapped out and we're going to get going. Yeah, this is a little later than I was thinking it was going to be. I didn't plan it exactly as I should have, but we'll still make it work. I was hoping to get down to Flagstaff probably about 2 hours later than I wanted to be, so we'll probably only get around to Page. I can still make that work tomorrow, so we're gonna head down that way, and hopefully the weather will not get horrible. It's just been kind of on and off a little bit here and there, so we got down here to Page. It's about 1:38 in the morning. And that means I can take a 7-hour sleeper split and I'll be able to get going about 8:30. That should get me down to the job site about 12:30, 1 o'clock-ish. That should work out okay, so. It's Monday morning and we're rolling now. Stopped in Page last night. We got to get to the location right about 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That shouldn't be a problem for today. The weather coming down wasn't bad. Hit a couple of flurries and that was about it. But yeah, during the day it was everything. We had sunny in the morning, snow in the afternoon, and rain the rest of the time. Well, we got down here to Maricopa. We found the place. Had to get a little help from the guy. It's not really a street yet, and so the address wasn't really helping. But we got in there, he got us unloaded. I did a sleeper split to get down here. And since I'm in no hurry to get to Tucson, because I'm not loading till tomorrow, so I got to take a 3-hour break here, and then we'll head to Tucson, and we'll take a 10-hour break. Well, we got down here to Tucson. We're parked in the usual spot. Trouble is, I got 14 hours before they're going to be ready to load me. Kind of a long way around to get here, but hey, we did. So anyway, so we'll pick it up in the morning. This guy comes in here all the time and has to crush the garbage down. I guess it's got to be worth it. And this is what you have to do sometimes to make everything fit. There was some room under that piece, so we stacked the boxes up. And that saved a lot of room. Okay, sometimes you got to do a little extra to protect your tarps, and those are pretty crappy gloves to begin with, but they're going to do just fine right there. That'll keep it from cutting through, because flapping in the wind, that will eventually do it, and that cardboard taped on there will protect it from getting cut there. So sometimes you got to do weird things. Okay, there it is. That's pretty close to a full load. Got a couple feet on the back, but yeah, that's a pretty good load. Well, we got loaded this morning. It's not a very heavy load as usual, but it did fill up the trailer. Just under 14,000. Should be getting home probably 11:30, and then we'll get this unloaded tomorrow, and it sounds like he's already got another load lined up for me for the rest of the week. So we'll see if he changes his mind or not. Well, it's just after 11 and I got home. It sure is nice hauling light loads. When you're going up a lot of these hills that you got to go from Phoenix to get up here, it just makes life so nice just to cruise on up. Anyway, well, we'll run this up tomorrow and we'll get it unloaded and we'll find out what else he's got for us to do. Okay, well, we got unloaded. It all came off okay, but he had to count every piece to make sure it was all there. According to the list, there was a lot of little pieces. Now we're going to head back down, and I guess we're going to get loaded for my next trip. So that'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.